I've picked me up some Sprayway boots. Now I chose these because they seem to have the same sort of style as the Merrells, and these were half the price. The main thing I noticed, had the same Vibram soles, and they're supposedly waterproof. Now they say you're supposed to walk 50 miles in boots before you break them in, so I guess I better get cracking. I've done about 15-20 miles in these Sprayways now so far, and I've got to say they are one of the most slipperiest shoes I have bought. I can no longer trust this Vibram for being good. I'm willing to give them the benefit of the doubt. I did say I'll test them for 50 miles. I'm not there yet, so I'm hoping they are going to bed in. But at the moment I'm regretting buying them. Any bit of wet surface, I haven't even taken them anywhere rough. I've just been walking around the streets, wet pavements. It's making me less confident on my feet. I feel like I'm going to fall over. What I'll do, I'll send Sprayway an email, see if it's normal, maybe it's defective, I don't know. So I got in touch with Sprayway about the slippiness I was having with these shoes. This is the email I sent them. Hi, I recently bought your Cara low walk-in shoes from Millets. I walked about 8 miles in them today. I couldn't stop slipping even on flat surfaces. Is this normal or will it improve over time? I'm also in the middle of doing a review video on them for my channel, Mr. Wild Wales on YouTube, so any solutions or advice from my viewers on it would be appreciated. Thank you. They got back to me about 3 or 4 days later, and I'll pause the video if you want to read all this email, but I'll break it down for you. They're basically saying that Vibram are the world's leading outsole supplier, but it's a toss-up between grip and the amount of time it'll last. They are designed for trail and hill walking, and they're ideal for this sort of surface. Now, I will say 30 miles in, they did start to improve a little, but I'm still having problems with them. I've walked about 50-60 miles in these. I find them extremely slippy. Yes, I was doing mainly streets, but I would expect to stay upright on tarmac or concrete. Now, these just do not give me the confidence to go out in the wet. I found myself choosing them over other shoes just because they're very comfy, but for dry weather only. If it starts raining, you better turn tail and head home, because you'll be breaking your neck on these. It's that simple. Whilst it might be true that they last a long time, I think for the lack of grip and the fact that you might end up breaking your neck on them, do you really want them to last that long a time? I don't think it's worth it. I'd rather have new shoes every 6 months and them to be really grippy. But having said that, you know, maybe you want your shoes to last for ages, and they are the ones to get if that is your deal. But if you see that sole on them, I would not choose them at all. I think this experience has mainly made me lose confidence in the Vibram soles, because I found the top part, the Sprayway, it was quite nice and waterproof, very, very comfy, breathable. I did find my feet were quite sweaty in there, but you know, after walking 8-9 miles, you'd expect that, I think. But I think I will be thinking twice before if I see that sole again, probably won't be getting that. So yeah, unfortunately it's not a good review this time. I was hoping it was going to be a good one, because they looked like the business, but I can't recommend those shoes. Hopefully the next thing I try will be a bit better. Thanks for checking out that review. Catch you next time.